Find a parking spot. Turn on your signal. Give yourself as much space as possible. Line up your shoulder to the middle of parking spot in front of the parking space you intend to park. If your vehicle is smaller, line up the first line of your parking space after your mirror. Check your mirrors and blind spot for the other's car. Turn steering wheel all the way to the direction of the parking spot and drive slowly. When your car body is parallel to the parking space line, straighten your wheel and drive forward until your car has completely entered the space. Put your car into parking brake.